Yo, what's up guys, Drake here with Move iCloud Lock.co, and in today's video we're going to fix the verification required error message that pops up when you're trying to download an app or make a purchase on the App Store. So to do this, we're going to go to our settings here. Now we're going to click on iTunes and App Store and click View Apple ID. Now we're going to click Payment Information. And here I have some billing information that's here. However, if you're getting this issue, it means that it cannot verify your payment information. So what you're going to want to do here is just, if you already have a card on your account, then confirm that by typing in the security code. However, if you're in my situation, you don't have to do that. You just have to click done. But if this issue comes up for you, all you have to do, there will be other options. If you don't have a debit card, click none. And after you click none, then verify your billing address. And once you verify all of that information, then you will be good to go. And then just click done. And yeah, guys, that was really it. So I had the problem with the issue a little bit ago, but I was able to fix it just by confirming the CVV of the card. Or if you don't have a card, just clicking none and entering valid billing address. That's all you have to do. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. And signing off, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.